Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri has solicited the collaboration of well-meaning individuals and corporate organizations, including multinational oil companies, in sports development to engage youths in the oil-rich state. Senator Diri made the appeal recently at the finals of the Governor's Prosperity Football Tournament in AKUGHA, the Bayelsa state capital.
A shot by Senator Douye Diri signaled commencement of the finals of the Governor's Cup tagged Prosperity Cup 2022 at the Samson Siasia Stadium in AKUGHA. Two teams, Odioma Football Club and Eternal Grace Ministries Football Club, made it to the finals, featuring what spectators described as football at its best. At the end of 90 minutes of play, Eternal Grace Ministries defeated Odioma by 2-1. The winning team clinched the trophy and a cash prize of 5 million naira. A visibly excited Governor Douye Diri, who described skills demonstrated on the field of play as very impressive, noted that Bayelsa was blessed with many budding talents waiting to be discovered and nurtured into limelight. The Bayelsa State Governor used the occasion to call for collaborations between his government and the private sector to develop sports and reduce unemployment and youth restiveness in the state.
We have often said that you can take one of these clubs and sponsor them. You can even create your own competition for the state and sponsor them. It's not enough to tell us about sabotage in oil pipelines. Translate it to affect the youths of Bayelsa State.
206 teams from across 8 local government areas of Bayelsa State participated in the 2022 edition of the Governor's Cup, which Director General of the Prosperity Cup, Honor Akbe, describes as the largest grassroots football tournament in Nigeria.
And the great thing about this particular tournament is that we brought in scouts, foreign scouts from various countries, from Australia, France, South Africa in the first instance, and the second team from Eastern Europe. And they've selected young, outstanding players that very soon will be plying their trades in Europe.
Bayelsa State has always taken the lead in sports. Recently, 2 teams in the state emerged champions of the Nestle Milo National Secondary Schools Basketball Championship in Lagos. This follows the emergence of Bayelsa United as FA Cup champions last year. The Bayelsa Queens reenacted same feats in May this year when they won the National Women Football League and are billed to represent Nigeria in the CAF Women Champions League early next year. A proud Governor Douye Diri says Bayelsa has got talents.
In music, in sports, in the academia, we have youths who can compete anywhere in the world. And so I call on you to join this government, to be partners and collaborate in ensuring that we bring down youth unemployment and youth restiveness in Bayelsa State.
Under the Douye Diri administration, Bayelsa State now hosts the annual Governor Diri National Scrabble Championship for professionals and students across the federation. An advocate of youth empowerment, Senator Diri, a former commissioner of sports in Bayelsa State, strongly believes that through investment in sports, unemployment and youth restiveness will be sufficiently addressed in the glory of all lands.
Inside the Niger Delta,